the 3rd grade, people treated me like a criminal because I killed somebody.
The hell are you staring at, bro? Oh, now you want to look away.
COVID-19!
COVID-19!
I blow!
He doesn't really care what you do to her as long as you're petting her, like... No, give me a good one. Give me a good one. You said you can't?
I have chicken nuggets. Hey.
The dog said yes.
Bless you. Bless you. You good?
Alright, new challenge. Put your hand near your dog like you're going to pet them, but don't pet them yet and see what they do.
You're asking for trouble. Just sit there, see what he does.
He bites me when I sit here, is what happens. I'm watching the ball game.
I was unboxing a handheld vacuum cleaner, and Salem spotted it.
Natasha, can I get a meow wow? Thank you.
What he loafing for? Wait. Oh.
You dropped your baby. What the fuck?
If I put this tree in this hand, which one would it be in? Good boy. Good boy, Gato. What if I switch it up, Gato, and I put the tree in my left hand? Which one would it be in? Huh?
Just thinking.
Which one would it be in? Good boy. That's a good boy. Good boy, Mr. Gato.
Just because your eyes are closed doesn't mean I can't see you. You're ridiculous. You can't have my biscuit.
Hey, bro, you really want to go out there? Alright. That's what I thought, pussy.
Fiona, come on. Come on, baby. Come on. You can do it. You're okay. Come on. Fred, no. Hey. Come on. Okay.
It's like this right up against it, and it's making all my hair stand up and my hair on my head.
What make it happen is for him to he just stand,
You cannot make this shit up. There's a cat in a hat on the subway, bro. He's looking at me. Oh my god. That's so crazy. Oh my god.
Oh, cool.
Sit. Bitte, bitte. Bitte, bitte.
Hello. Hello. Winston, hello. Oh, you dumb bitch!
Jim, I got some steak chalupas. You want one? Jim! Jim! Hey, you want a steak chalupa?
Hey, buddy.
Bro, you good?
I think that you're about to go on a walk.
2 months old and scared of everything?
Are you serious? Are you serious right now? No.
Bisa Jin.
Ami, pia. Yeah. Carl. It's okay. Let it go. Let it go. No. Jimmy! God damn it! Give it to me! Today. Oh my God, what is that?
Daddy's going to Boca Raton tonight.
Oh my God! What is that? You want to wear your costume? Okay, I'll put it on. Are you happy now? I don't know if you can tell, but she's purring.
Wait, what's happening? Oh, buddy. Did the kids finally decide they want to be friends and now you're scared of them?
Speak. 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 Kobe, speak. Speak. Kobe, speak. Say hi. Kobe, say hi. Oh.
So that's the challenge. When people talk about
oh my God.
Hey, let me get a minute. Hey, let me get one too.
Hey, let me hold him.
Yeah, you get that right there. What the dog?
Hey, let me get a minute. Hey, let me get one too.
Hey, let me hold him.
Yeah, you get that right there. What the dog do?